Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Shishual. So today we are going to make a very simple and filling breakfast of oats. I make this oatmeal very often. It is very filling, it is very nutritious, and it is also very tasty. So these are the benefits of oatmeal, and it is easy to prepare. It helps improve blood sugar control, and it has many more benefits. So let's see how I make it. So here I have taken 4 tablespoons of quick cooking oats, any brand you can take, which is easily available. To this I'm adding 1 cup of milk and half cup of water to help it cook along. If you want, you can take full milk also. Then we are going to cook this on medium heat, medium to low heat, not too much. And slowly it will cook. It will barely take 3 to 4 minutes because it is just one serving that we are making. While this is cooking, I will roast some flax seeds here. Flax seeds are very good for us. They're rich in protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. So whenever I need them, I usually roast them fresh. But if you want, you can also roast a big batch and keep them in your fridge. But usually I've seen that if they get old, they start turning rancid. So do not roast too many, maybe just roast enough for about a week, and then you can roast again, because it barely takes 2 to 3 minutes to roast a small batch of flax seeds. So while they are getting roasted, here we are adding some raisins to the oats. And raisins are also very good for us, especially for women. So we will let them cook along with the milk and the oats, and they will plump up and also give it a slight sweetness and add a nice texture. To this I will also add a little bit of sugar. So you have to keep, now that it is getting thicker, you have to keep stirring it in between, otherwise it might become lumpy and stick to the bottom. So I've added about half a teaspoon of sugar because that's how I like it. If you want more, you can add more. If you do not like sugar, then you can avoid it completely. So now I've turned the heat to low, and then I'm stirring it and letting it cook for about 2 minutes. This looks nicely cooked. Oats gets cooked in 2 to 3 minutes. I have turned out the heat, and now I have covered it, and I will let it rest for another 2 minutes so that it nicely plumps up and becomes the texture that I like. The flax seeds are also ready. So here I'm serving it. I will just serve it in a bowl. So as it cools down, it will become even more thicker. So this is completely ready. So we will just top it with our favorite flax seeds. If you want, you can add any other seeds that you like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, melon seeds, or any other nuts as well. I'm just topping it with some more raisins and few broken cashew nuts. Again, adding the nuts is absolutely your choice. Walnuts is very nice with it. Even badam or almonds are very good. So it is your choice. You can even top it with some chocolate syrup for your children if they want it that way. So I hope you enjoyed this easy and simple and very healthy and filling recipe. And if you did enjoy the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again very soon. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye. Take care.